quick update on my heart jumper. I detached the piece. This is what we have here, and these are the straps that were the overalls. And now I'm gonna make this into like a bag because I just want to switch it up a little bit, and if I ever did want to wear it again, I could just reattach it. But I have this piece of jean skirt that I sewed together right here where the pockets are, and this is what I'm left with. And what I'm going to do now is sew this to the back of the heart. So I'm going to put these sides together like this, and I'm just going to go around the heart shape and do a top stitch, sew the heart straight to this. And I'm gonna make it so that these pockets are on the inside. Well, it's gonna be like a crossbody or a shoulder. Pretty much crossbody is the way I'm envisioning it being worn. And I'm gonna just sew around the edges, and I'm just gonna try to line it up so that the edge goes right around the base of the pockets or the corners, because it's just fitting there. It's on, and what I'm going to do now is just trim the sides down. And then I have to cut into this because I don't want that to show. I'm going to do a top stitch by hand across this line right here that will connect these two pieces to this first layer of the heart, and that'll actually just hold it in place, and it'll also allow things to go down into the sides, but this middle will be open.